Hello guys and welcome back to a new episode of Xtrillions. This is Leo the Generale speaking, and today in this video we'll be going through the HOD patterns and how to be safe while trading them. Make sure you go leave a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you got any questions regarding the video or any other issues in trading, go leave a comment in the comment section and we'll be more than happy to help you.
There's a point of where this whole thing will end, this big rise. At some point, it will end. So you understand that at the back of your brain, psychologically, you're supposed to be saying to yourself, okay, why the hell am I trading the HODs? Am I looking for the pattern? No, I'm searching for the HODs because I understand that when this guy is at the HOD, he's at the high of the day. When he is above the HOD, he is extremely high. So now you have this thing at the back of your brain that says to you, okay, it's easy for me to trade the trades that are on top of the HOD because I have now a super extreme advantage for me because this guy is at the high, but now the bars are right on top of the high. And then you have the numbers that match the on top of the high. And then you have a block there. And then you have the EMAs there that shows you that they separated like this. They moved away from each other like that. And when there's a block present and when those spikes present at the top of the extreme points, that's where your bloody antennas are supposed to be perking up. You're supposed to be like, okay, the HOD, I know you are extreme. I know you are extreme. I'm not just taking the setup. I'm not just taking the pattern. I don't care about the pattern. I want to care about, is this guy super extreme? Number one, is he close to the HOD? Are the numbers good? And where are the blocks? And then soon as you understand, because you now understand the near point, you understand where this guy will start to slow down. And when your pattern presents there, everything should be like, they should click right there at that particular point. It is the same thing in Leo's setup when this guy is at the HOD, but this guy is dropping lower than yesterday in price. That tells you right there that something is wrong. And then when he goes back, when he goes down while he's at the high and he's making some kind of 2 to 3 days divergence and he falls on the block, that's where now you will think about the bloody setup. That's where you will talk about, I'm looking for the pattern. Because the pattern should be, I think that the number 3 or the number 4 thing you need to be focusing on and not the first thing. You're not waking up to trade the pattern. Pattern is a behavior, is a behavioral thing that you just need to see. But where it most matters, it's where you know where the game ends. It's where you know where you have the most advantage. Where am I the most
Dangerous.
Dangerous? Like when people are fighting on the battlefield, the person who has the higher ground wins.
Yeah.
If there's, I don't know if you've watched fucking Vikings or those kind of the Spartans. Whenever there's an army approaching and there's few guys on the high ground, all the people who are at the high ground, bro, they are gonna kill those people at the low ground all the time because it takes effort for those people to march up to the high ground. Already their energy is diminished just by them charging up. So right there, that's an advantage for those guys at the top of the mountain or whatever, the top hill. So you need to understand like that. It's like, okay, before I think about I'm going to strike these guys on the HOD, I need to understand what terrain am I on. and where I am most dangerous, like Leo said. Where am I the most, dude, you can't kill me here. This is the point where I know you can bring on 1,000 armies when I'm only one guy. I know I will kill you all because I have an environment that tells me that I can use this environment to kill all of you, even though I'm one man. So it's the same thing as on the charts. Don't think about striking. Don't think about your technique. Your technique is useless if you do not understand the kind of environment you are on, that you know you are the most advantageous on, the most dangerous on. So I noticed that whenever we are trading, we tend to lose ourselves in the midst of the pattern, and the pattern is doing this, and hunting for the pattern instead of hunting for the ground that makes you the most dangerous first.